Hello guys, what's going on guys? What's going on guys? I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing amazing. And a wonderful and profitable new year to you all. This happens to be the first video I'm making this year, 2025. But it's not actually the video I promise you guys. I will still release that video, I promise you guys. But this particular video is also a very important video. Okay, I'm about to review this trade on I'm about to review a trade on Great British Pound CHF. This was the last trade I took in the year 2024. Okay, so I'm about to review the trade. I want to review the trade right now. I want to talk about the strategy. I want to talk about the entry and the profit target on this trade. Okay, and if you're new to the channel, you are welcome. I normally release videos like this. I talk about trading tips and I talk about my trades. I took the MT5 executions of the trade, the strategy, the entry, and all that. If you go through other videos, you're gonna see similar videos like this, which I've released in the past, where I talk about trading strategies. I talk about a trade I took. I talk about the profit target. I talk about the entry and all that. So you're going to learn one or two things from this video. Okay, I promise you, if you stay to the end of this video, you are going to learn something new that can actually help you to improve your trading. And also, if you are here and you're looking for a community that you can join to be able to trade, you can join our community. Okay, if you check the description of this video, you'll be able to see the link to join our community. Okay, you can be able to join our community so you can be able to improve your trading, so you can be able to trade with the community. Okay, because trust me, you can't do this alone. You need a community. You need a supportive community so I can be able to learn and grow with the community. Okay, so if you're interested to join our community, check the description of this video for a link to be able to sign up and then join us and begin to trade with us. So you are welcome. So we're going to go straight to this trade I took at the end of the this video. I'm going to talk about the MT5 execution of this trade. Okay, so I think let me even start with that. Let's talk about the MT5 execution of the trade. So I'm going to share my MT5 right here. Okay, I'm going to share my MT5 right now. Okay, yeah. So this is my MT5 as you guys can see. Um, I just hope that this guy is sharing. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so you can see that this was on let me check. Okay, so you can see the sign the trade that was triggered here. You can see where the take profit was. Okay, you can see everything was clean. This was where the entry was triggered. This was where the take profit was also triggered. You can see this is Great Eastern CHF. So everything is clear for you all. So nothing is hidden. So I show MT5 execution sometimes for a trade. I also show the strategy. I talk about the entry. I talk about the strategy entry and all of that. Okay, so you're going to learn one or two things from this video right now. So let's go to the analysis part of this trade. Okay, so we start from the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, that's the top analysis right now. The weekly time talk about the what? The key levels. Okay, I saw that price was actually dropping to this key level now. The video, the strategy, and everything I've started. So pay attention so you can be able to learn. Now, I saw that price was dropping to this key level. Now you can ask me, why is it that this is a key level? You have to learn it. Join the community to learn about how we mark out our key levels. It's not something that it's not just regular things you just mark out anywhere. That's what we look out for to mark out our key levels. If you join the community, you're going to learn all of that for almost free. Okay, so I saw that price was dropping to this key level. Okay, even though we didn't have any strong reaction that we needed to force to take a trade, but price was dropping to this key level. It has reacted from here in the past as well. So on the daily time frame, we also saw that price was also reacting from this daily key level as well. So before then, before I saw this opportunity, price was around this level. I've already marked out this key level. Okay, now when I go to the 4 hour time frame, now on the daily time frame, I start looking out for trading opportunity. Okay, and this happened on 20th of December. That was when all of this was going on. Okay, now on the daily time frame, there was no visible I trade harmonics. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, I trade harmonics and I trade harmonic pattern and harmonic structure. Okay, so and if you're interested to learn about harmonics, join the community to learn that. Okay, that's what I trade, that's what I understand, and that is what I practice. That's what I've been training for years right now. So and it is strategy that when you learn it, consistent. It is consistent and nothing changes, and it's something that does not change. It's something that is consistent. It doesn't change. The structures doesn't change. The measurement doesn't change. If you open a chart and you don't see harmonic structure there, it is not there. You don't need to waste your time. If it's there, it's there. If it's not there, it's not there. Okay, just as you can see right here. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we begin to see something that draws our attention. We had a harmonic structure here. So what I did was to take out my Fibonacci to measure the structure to know which of the harmonic pattern is that. So we saw that this is actually a cipher of zero. At that point, it was a cipher of 0.786. It was price was around here. Okay, yeah, price was around this particular point. Um that time price was around here. It has not gotten to this key level. This was when price was around here. But at this point in time, we don't even have a valid entry based on our entry criteria. We don't have a valid entry. So now, after a few hours, price dropped to this point. So it was I was like, okay, fine, we have this key level here. So let's see what price will do. Okay, let's see what price is gonna do. Okay, so that means cipher of 0.786 is not gonna hold, but we look at for cipher of 0.886. Okay, now what I did was to drop down to the 1 hour time frame to look to get a clearer image of this structure and of this cipher pattern. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have more candles and more structure formation on the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame of this particular trading opportunity. Okay, now at that point in time, I had already I have a pending the because the structure or the PRZ of the 0.886 listing, please, of the 0.886 aligns with the key level. So it gives me an um extra confidence to place a pending buy limit order here. My stop loss placement, of course, everything is well defined. You have your stop loss for the cipher. You're gonna learn all of that if you join the community as well. So the stop loss is defined, the take profit is defined, the entry is defined. So everything is consistent. Okay, and that is why I love this trading strategy. It's very consistent and nothing changes. Okay, so I placed my stop loss here, put in my pending order. So after some couple of hours, my pending orders was actually triggered. Okay, so when I came to the chart after a few hours, I saw that this was what price was actually doing. All right, so I was like, okay, fine, let's see what happens. We're gonna have an extra confirmation if we're gonna take out this high, which is our which confirms our break of structure of our change of character, which is called about we call chalk. Okay, so this is our change of character here. Okay, so I was expecting price to take out this high. So after some couple of hours, price actually took out this high, and it was a huge confirmation for me for this particular trade. So if actually this entry was missed, so we have to drop down to the 15 minutes time frame to look at that particular level very well. So you can see that on the 15 minutes time frame, we see that that was a visible change of character at this point in time. So we had this unmitigated order block and all this imbalance and all that. So if actually miss your instant entry at this 0.886 of the key level, you can as well catch another entry at this order block and fair value gap around this level. Okay, so this way you have gotten your second entry as well. Okay, so after like 2 days or 3 days, I think this trade took about how many days from this point to this point? It took about 4 days, yes. After like 4 days, full take profit target was achieved at 0.886. Okay, so that was how we hit our full profit target of 0.886. You can see that. Beautiful. And after that, what happened? We had a minor retracement to the downside. That's why it's always good to stick to the strategy. So, the strategy I trade, which is harmonious, gives you everything. It gives you stop loss values. It gives you entry. It gives you target. It gives you the structure. If the structure and the pattern is not there, it's not there. Okay. And with the combination of key levels, you're gonna have a high probability setups and I can't stress how many times we always see trading opportunities almost every week on the chart. Almost every week. Okay. And this particular trade that happened, let me show you guys the trading journal of this particular trade. Now, this is the journal of this trade. Now, you can see that everything is well defined, and we have other couple of trades I've taken in the past. I had their journals here as well. The ones that are pending, the ones that are running as well. Now, for this particular trade, on Great Asian CHF, can see that I had a trading journal. I was documenting everything that was going on this particular um pair. Okay, even when price reacted from the daily, I was documenting everything, and then a potential pattern was defined, and also our entry was also what defined, and it was consistent as well. And you can see that our entry was consistent, and our stop loss was also defined as well, and take profit and everything was defined. So this was how we achieved 6.93% on Great British Pound CHF. Okay, this was how we achieved 6.93, almost 7% return. That means you are spending $1 to make $7 on this particular trade. Okay, so that was how we achieved that 6.93% on Great British Pound CHF. So it was an amazing trading opportunity, and that was the trade I used to wrap up the year 2024. And we hope that this year 2025 is going to be an amazing trading year for all of us. So this brings us to the end of this review on this particular trade on Great British Pound CHF. So I wish you guys all the best. Okay, you can like, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you can be notified whenever I release videos like this, so you can be able to learn from my trading. Learn. If you continue to watch this video, you're going to learn a lot, and if you join the community, you're going to help you to be a better trader, because you can be able to trade with the community, understand what we trade, learn the strategy, ask questions, and get answers to. Okay, so I wish you guys all the best. I wish you guys all the best. So watch out for other videos I'm going to release in the future, which will help you to improve your trading and all that. So this will be all for now, and I love you guys, and bye for now.